Hi, welcome to my channel where I share about my life living as a nomad, my DIYs, the beautiful places I get to visit and explore. Last week I shared about my reason to be spending the winter in Utah with my RV that is not an all-season RV. And I got a lot of heat from some of you in Facebook and a lot of support, a lot of tips, and I just wanted to clarify that I love the winter and I love Utah. It is gorgeous. I just made a personal decision that it was a little bit last minute and I was just driven by my love and I didn't think about how to prepare for the winter. But that doesn't mean that I can't learn or I can't prepare or that I don't like the winter or Utah. That's not the case. And I have been preparing and I think that now I can really enjoy the winter camping because I am better prepared. But it isn't so much about camping, that it is more about living. And learning to live this way and learning to prepare for winter is one of the parts I needed to learn myself. And as I do that, I wanted to share with you because you may be in the same situation as a newbie. Today I want to share how I insulated the pipes that come from the black tank and the gray tank. The valves going to those pipes were frozen and I couldn't pull them. And because I couldn't pull them, I couldn't drain the tanks. That is what I work on this video, protecting those big pipes that come from the black and the gray tanks. So let's get to work. According to the locals here in Utah, it has been unusually cold this winter. No, it's not even winter yet. We're still in fall. But I've been asking and they tell me that it has been unusually cold. And along with that, I've been doing a lot of winter prep. But my tanks, my tanks valves are frozen, gray and black. So I don't have a electrical space heater, but I have a blow dryer. So I'm gonna go get under there and blow dry my tanks. And after that, I'm gonna go get some tools to, what do you say? Insulate them for the winter. Yeah. So this is the status of my tanks. See, the gray and the black, they're both in the yellow zone. So I must resolve this today. I don't know how to help it, but I'm gonna boil some water. I'm just gonna throw it down the drain. Hopefully that will help. It is 47 degrees now, which is the highest I've seen in the last month. You guys, maybe this is working. Look, you see the gray water went down one light and something is happening on the black one. It wants to be full. So I'm gonna go outside and check what's going on. I've been dumping hot water in the tanks and I have the air dryer still blowing outside. I'm gonna go check what's up. Okay, I haven't been outside yet, but look at the gray water. I think it emptied. So now I'm gonna go check on the black tank. Can you hear that? I think that's my black tank. I was able to open the black tank valve. So now it's just a matter of waiting. I think it is going down slowly. And since the bathroom is just across from me, I don't use my black tank for number 2, so it shouldn't be hard to drain, and that's one of the reasons I chose to use the bathroom that I have so close by me. I was watching our friend Mark from the channel Grand Adventure, and he did a pretty good insulation of his tanks, so that's what I'm gonna copy. And he insulated his pipes this way, so I am gonna copy him, and I'm gonna start with the foiled. I do need to get under. A friend of mine it is considering this lifestyle was, wow, you have to warn people about not do a winter camping in RV that is not all season. And many people that are very, very experienced are watching, and people that are not experienced are watching as well. I am more geared to the rookies because I am one, and I'm sharing my tips from that perspective as a newbie. I need to go get me some more foil, but let's go and check the black tank. I hope it drained. And this is another task I need to fix, a broken latch. Just like your stick and bricks, it never ends. Okay, the great moment. Let's see. I think it's draining. You see, before it had a yellow dot, now 2 green, so slowly going down. Maybe I need a little bit more heat. I'm getting the stuff to insulate my tank pipe. Aluminum tape, which is really good to tape things around. Wow, clever. And my pipe heating cord. Here's my situation. I wrap an aluminum in here, and it continues over somewhere down there. Because my setup has half of the pipes in this area, which is covered, and half of the black tank is uncovered under the belly, I have to start by leaving the tail of the core out here. So I'll know how long is my thingy, so I had to thread it somehow. And it's kind of difficult, of course, because the spaces are tight. You see, I'm under the mini now, and that's where the rest of the pipe is. Okay, I'm gonna try to thread it. I don't know if I'm gonna be successful. This is gonna be difficult, but I'm gonna try. I have to try, right? I think it's gonna be better if I thread it from here, and then I go over there. You see, somewhere over here. Let's see if I can get better. There we go. That works. I'm not gonna lie that I'm not having challenges. And it's cool and it's hot. I'm going to secure you with some tape, because this is just gonna be there. This is the thermostat, so leave that hanging so you can feel how cool it is. I'm gonna leave it right there. It's gonna be easier. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough to also put on the gray water heater. This is a 3 feet cable. I want to get my other plastic cables. Make sure it goes under. Yeah, I'm thinking I go to. I'm trying to maximize where this thing will touch. I'm just gonna start putting some tape around it. This is my gray tank right here. This is my gray tank. So the pipe distance is very, very short. And I got, most of the black tank wrapped on this heating cable. Now I'm gonna put insulation over it, and that will be the last step. So first the foil, aluminum foil, then the heating cord, then more aluminum tape, and then insulation over it, and more aluminum tape. No fun, but necessary. Next, I'm going to add this pipe wrapped insulation tape. The tape that I got doesn't have the messy insulation. It's just sticky padding. So that should be good. Let's do it. It is done now. So I have foil first, then aluminum tape, then I have the heating core and I secure it with aluminum tape. Then I wrap the insulating tape over it. So far I have insulated the tank's pipes. I have added the heated drinking water hose, and I have insulated the faucet. Now I'm gonna measure for a skirt. I'm gonna make a skirt for the Mini. As you can tell, I have been making progress and things are feeling more under control. And as with everything, with the right preparation and the right tools, most anything is possible. Even winter camping and the Mini Winnie. I am gonna make it possible, and I'm gonna take care of my home as much as I can. Life goes on, life is beautiful, and that's what I want to share with you, that no matter our personal struggles, we can still find beauty and wonderful reasons to press on, never giving up. Thank you for watching. Ciao.